slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Pick a style, pick a style.
Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be using a wig from WIGS, and it's an HD lace. The cap size is medium and the frontal that is on this wig is a 13x4. As you can see, the knots are really small, and if you want to have a super undetectable lace wearing style, you want to make sure that you're using a lace where the knots are single knotted and they're small. And I stopped by the beauty supply store. I'm in South Florida right now, and I stopped by the beauty supply store to pick up my products, and that was a super proud moment for me, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. So of course, before you install a wig, you're going to put on your ball cap, and that's what I'm getting done right now. Before any install, you want to make sure you're using your Skin Guard by IAmErickaJ, and after that, you're going to go in with the adhesive. You can use as many layers as you want. In this particular install, she did use 3 layers. Prior to buying any wig, you want to make sure that you know your head size, because if you don't know your head size, it's going to be a very aggravating, tedious, and very frustrating process when you install your wig. I did speak with the company. I did speak with WIGS prior to me getting this wig because I wanted to make sure that it was going to fit. Typically, I'm a size medium, which is about a 22 in circumference, 22 to 22.5, and that's how all of my wigs are. So, if y'all are stylists, or if you have a stylist that you love so very much and you would like to see me get my hair done by them, or you would like for me to visit their salon, their suite, wherever they work at, get a service done by them, I am going to continue my journey of getting slayed by other stylists. And if you have any recommendations, just comment down below in my comments and I'll be sure to make that happen for you guys. And don't be scared either, because I am going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to rate my experience. I'm going to rate my install. I'm going to rate the professionalism. I'm going to rate every single thing, from the price to the service to the overall experience. So comment down below, because this is going to get real spicy. So as you guys can see, the lace looks like, where's the lace? Like, it literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Shout out to WIGS. I will have the description for everything down in the description box. once again, shout out to West Kiss for this absolutely amazing wig. I have worked with them before and I love working with them. I'm so pleased to work with them once again. As you guys can see, this wig was body wave and look how straight it is. Look how straight this wig got. It's not super oily. It's not nothing. Like, it didn't have to get fried and dried in order for it to get straight. This is some top quality human hair.